Unveiling the Digital Workshop, Understanding the Coding Environment. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for budding programmers and tech enthusiasts alike: the coding environment. Whether you're just starting your journey in programming or looking to deepen your understanding, this video is for you. We'll explore what a coding environment is, why it's crucial for developers, and the different types that exist. So, let's unravel the mystery together and make your coding journey smoother and more efficient. A coding environment refers to the set of software and tools that programmers use to write, test, and debug their code. Think of it as the digital workspace where all the magic happens. This environment includes a variety of components such as text editors, integrated development environments, IDEs, compilers, and debuggers. Each tool plays a vital role in helping developers transform their ideas into functional software. By understanding and choosing the right environment, you can enhance your productivity and focus on bringing your creative visions to life. Having the right coding environment is like having a well-organized workshop for crafting your projects. It can significantly affect your efficiency, comfort, and even your learning curve as a programmer. A good environment provides syntax highlighting to make code easier to read and understand, code completion to speed up the writing process, debugging tools to quickly find and fix errors, version control to keep track of changes and collaborate with others. Selecting an environment that fits your project's needs and your personal preferences can make a world of difference in your coding experience. Coding environments come in various forms, each with its own set of features tailored to different programming languages and development needs. Here are a few types. 1. Text editors. Lightweight and versatile. Text editors like Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text are great for beginners and pros alike. They can be customized with plugins to support various programming languages and tools. 2. Integrated development environments, IDEs. IDEs, such as IntelliJ IDEA and Eclipse, offer a comprehensive suite of development tools including a code editor, debugger, and compiler, all within a single application. They are ideal for complex projects and languages like Java, C++, and Python. 3. Online coding environments. Platforms like Replit and CodePen allow you to code directly in your web browser, making it easy to start coding without any setup. These are fantastic for learning, small projects, or collaborative coding sessions. The coding environment is your digital workshop, a place where you can bring your ideas to life through code. Whether you prefer the simplicity of a text editor or the all-in-one functionality of an IDE, choosing the right environment can elevate your coding experience and productivity. We hope this video has shed some light on what coding environments are and how they can impact your programming journey. Happy coding, and remember, the best environment is one that suits your needs and helps you grow as a developer. See you in the next video.